Hello, I am Dia. Let's understand how you can use StockAnts to discover and validate your ideas and trade with your broker. Let's get started. Users can log in on the broker's site or through StockAnts platform using their broker credentials. Once the user has logged in, they will be able to access all recommendations and strategies published by SEBI registered experts. For each recommendation or strategy, user can check out real-time tracking of SEBI registered experts' shared price estimates, get to know the remaining profit or potential that can be incurred by investing in that particular stock or index, and get overview of the recommendation or strategy in a single glance. Furthermore, users can even validate with the help of market sentiment by clicking on the crowdsourced icon. Users can also bookmark any recommendation or strategy and save it in the watch list for future reference and updates. Besides this, they have access to a wide range of filter stack and nimbly switch asset classes to view option strategies or short-term equity basket recommendations. Moreover, they can get a full overview of any stock or index under the More tab or in the Market section in the navigation bar. Lastly, they can decide trade based on market sentiment on StockAnts and place trade for any recommendation or strategy. Additionally, you can use StockAnts on mobile also.
To know more about StockAnts and 9star, visit www.stockants.com or info@9star.in.
Thanks for watching.